Hey, this is H1. We're going to be running it back with another episode talking about chess knowledge, chess wisdom, chess understanding, and we are going to be starting the chess puzzles. Let's get to it right quick. Let's get to it. Where are we at? Here we go. Here we go. This next one. Where's the checkmate? Where is the checkmate? I got both of the chats up. I got the Twitch chat up and the YouTube chat. What is going on? My bad, guys. I have to shut this. My bad. It wouldn't let me shut the sound down. Gotta mute that tab for a minute. Yep. So the move is this. Queen takes on G2. Queen takes on G2. Very simple. Very simple. Let's get into the next one. We're gonna do like 10 of these and then we're gonna go into harder puzzles, of course. We're gonna do like checkmate in 2. So where's the checkmate now? You can't stream. You can't. Hey, Elliot, what's good, man? We got Chessman Riz in here. We got X5M, one of my other moderators. Is there another? Yeah, that's lagging. That's why I thought that was me. He's 14. Okay. Queen takes on G. Yeah, everybody was already saying that. I was looking at some chat on my streaming service, but I don't know why the YouTube chat just doesn't circulate in the multi-stream part. Where's the checkmate though? X5, you are correct. You are correct. We got the move Queen to H6. Okay. We got 8 more. 8 more to go. Let's do it. Where's the other move here? Where's the other move in this position? What are y'all saying? Queen H6 checkmate. Okay, y'all still on the last one. All right. I'm gonna have to like give y'all a minute to catch up. Where's the next checkmate? What we doing? What are y'all saying? Rook H2? Rook G5? Rook G4? Knight D4? Rook G4. All right. Let's try Rook G4. Actually, isn't... So like any one of these rook moves would be correct, I'm guessing. Let's just do Rook G4. Okay. Yep, good move. 7 more to go. Let me drink my black coffee right quick. I'm a menace. What is the best move here? I'm glad y'all can finally hear the music. Queen takes on H7. Yep, that is it. Okay, let's go a little bit quicker. Let's go a little bit faster, guys. Danger Man, is that you skateboarding these vids of yours? Chessman Riz, dude. Okay, where's the checkmate now? And for every beginner that is watching these videos right now, if you're having trouble finding these checkmates, then you need to do more of these. All right, you gotta know these patterns. You gotta find these checkmates in like half a second. It should not be taking you 10 seconds to find these checkmates. Just to let you know, so that you will have a goal of where you need to be at if you want to improve in your chess games. You drink coffee? Yep, I do. Black coffee. Hey, Chessman Riz is on a roll. Yep, Queen of C5. 5 more. Then we're gonna go to harder puzzles. So some people might get confused on this one. I now know Riz age and name. Why y'all being like that? Why y'all being like that? Leave Riz alone. Endanger Man, this dude trying to get the Twitch chat hype. No one, but no one shall save me. Hey, Chessman Riz, hey, stop abusing your power. What did he say? Oh, I don't know what. Okay, never mind. Never mind. Y'all still haven't found the best move for this. Queen B5. Hey guys, B5 is over here. We're the black pieces. Queen G4, correct. Because most people would do Queen H5 thinking that it's checkmate, but that queen on E1 would just snap that queen right off the board. So Queen G4, of course. Okay. Y'all got four more puzzles to go. Mickey Mouse. Dude, Danger Man, what is wrong with you? What is? Oh no! Look, you got me dropping my mouse. Dang. What is wrong with you? Thank you for following, Garwa. I see you, man. Should I show H1 the screenshots? Ah, man. Queen E8. Yep, Rustum 5555. You are correct. Okay, what's next? There's no delay on the Twitch chat, just to let everybody know. There's no delay on that platform. I'm gonna have to figure out what's going on the YouTube platform, of course. Okay, we need 3 more puzzles to be done. Need 3 more. So Rook A8 is not checkmate in 1 because the rook can just block on D8. Rook E7, Chessman Riz, you are correct. Rook E7. $50K soon. DRJ, I'm glad that you said that. 50K subscribers should be on the way pretty soon, hopefully by the end of the month. Hopefully by the end of the month. What are we doing next here? Yeah, you can take it, Rustum, but it's checkmate in 1. You gotta be, it's good to be precise in chess because you never know. Like, let's say you only have 1 second on the clock and you gotta get checkmate. Chessman Riz got it again. Who else got it? x5, you got it. So queen g6 runs into this block, but queen f5 checkmates the king. If the king moves back to e7, then this knight is covering it, and then this queen is covering the f file. Let's continue. And let's get the likes up too. Where are we at? Oh, we need one more. Actually, yeah, we need one more. Then we got some harder puzzles. What is the best move for the black pieces? Checkmate one. And again, knight to h3. Yep. I upload random content. You are correct too. Knight to h3 is checkmate. All right, let's do some. Let's move up to like mate in twos.